Some places feel untouched, and some never stop. Same world, different realities.
Before you even arrive.
You're already in Seifert. There's no space here.
Only movement. Everything happens at once. But inside the chaos, there are real moments.
And somehow, it starts to flow.
Not everything moves the same way.
Some places barely breathe.
But somehow, people still notice.
You don't stop it.
You try to rise above it.
But it never really leaves.
From here,
You finally see it.
Every second matters here. Even when you're standing still.
Different lives, moving through the city, sharing the same space.
Same direction.
There are no clear rules here. Just perfect timing. And it never really stops.
Right, it just keeps going.
even when you stop.
It doesn't.
The moment you step out.
You're back in it.
The light begins to change.
But the city doesn't.
It just changes its face.
And keeps going.
When night comes,
It only gets faster.
There's no empty moment.
Just different ones.
Not everything here is loud.
Some moments stay quiet, but it never really stops.
But it just pauses.
Every face has somewhere to be.
Even if they pause for a second.
Hundreds.
But still feel alone.
The pace begins to change.
But it never really ends.
For the first time,
Ooh, hear the quiet.
Before it all begins again.
It starts quietly.
Then the light comes back.
It doesn't stay quiet for long.
The same rhythm returns.
Like it never stopped.
You don't really leave it.
It keeps going without you.
But somehow,
It stays with you.